Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the Webull mobile app for stock trading step by step clearly. Open your mobile device's App Store. If you're using an iPhone, locate the App Store icon. If you're on an Android device, find the Google Play Store icon. Tap on the respective icon to open the App Store. In the search bar at the top, type Webull. Press the search button or magnifying glass icon. Look for the app titled Webull, Investment and Trading. Verify that the app is developed by Webull Technologies Inc. Tap on the app icon to view more details. Once you're on the app page, look for the Install button. Press the Install button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, find the Webull icon on your home screen. Tap the Webull icon to open the app. Upon opening, read through any introductory information or tutorials. Next, you'll need to create an account if you're a new user. Tap on the Sign Up button to start the registration process. Follow the prompts to enter your email or phone number. Create a secure password to protect your account. You may need to verify your email or phone number through a confirmation code. Once verified, log in using your credentials. Provide any required personal information to complete your profile. You'll also need to answer questions regarding your investment experience. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Finally, navigate to the main dashboard where you can start trading. Explore the app features to enhance your trading experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.